Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this amazing algebra problem, that is x times x minus x equal x times x plus x times x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this x times x as x cube minus x. Similarly, this as x squared plus x cube. Now x cube minus x. If I subtract x cube from both sides, so this will cancel out and this will also cancel out. So negative x equal x square. So if I'll add x to both sides, so this will cancel out. So x square plus x equals 0, or we can write x square plus x equals 0 like this. Now I can take x as common. So x plus 1 equals 0. So we have two roots. First x equals 0, then x plus 1 equals 0. So x equal minus 1. So what is the value of x? 0 and minus 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming math videos.